Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install the universal render pipeline in Unity. It's actually pretty easy. You need to go to Window, Package Manager, then you need to type in universal and the universal render pipeline should show up. Just go to install and it's going to take a minute or two. Okay, the universal render pipeline is installed. Then you need to go out of the window and then press the right mouse button, then go to Create, then to Rendering, Universal Render Pipeline, Pipeline Asset Forward Renderer, then just go to Edit, Project Settings, Graphics, and go to this little section on the top, and then just select the first pipeline asset you see, which in our case is this one, which you created 5 seconds ago, and you're actually done. Your universal render pipeline should now be installed, and if you had previous materials or objects in Unity and they appear pink, just go to the tutorial in my channel which fixes the issue. Thank you for watching the video, and if you have any questions then comment, and please subscribe for further tutorials, and bye.